I hear someone around here? You're coming with me! Stop!
Oh, there you are. Did you get it?
Yes, I did. And I didn't read it. Much.
Much obliged. That was exactly as I'd expected.
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
Oh, hello. Hello. You asking me to see you?
You suck so much you should get beat.
Sorry. Sorry about that.
Get out! Stop, Gary. Trying to watch this.
Ah, swim team. Intellectual stuff. So, tell me, Petey, do you
Come
like
on.
watching the girls in their swimming costumes? Does
Yeah,
that fuel your filthy little fantasies?
Gary, just get out of the way.
Oh, Marion, show me your breaststroke again. Or, wait, do you like the boys on the team?
Yeah, right, Gary.
Which is it, Petey?
I see you guys are getting along as usual.
I'm just toughening him up.
Ow!
Turning him into a man or a woman or something.
Hey, Jimmy. Hey, Petey.
Ah, Peace Stain. Good to see you.
Listen, Jimmy, I need a favor. Bucky went to the auto shop to get some parts for his science projects. He hasn't come back yet. I think he might be in trouble. Please?
Why don't you go yourself?
I've got homework. Okay, I'm frightened. And I've got a weak bladder. Oh, I think the bullies might have gotten him. Please, I'll pay.
I say do it. It's a good chance to show Russell who's in charge around here. Now run along,
Ow!
Peace Stain, before you mark the carpet. Yes. We've got to take care of Russell and his boys. Then, after that, take care of all the other cliques. Soon, this school will be ours.
I don't want the school.
Yeah, well, I do, pal, and I intend to get it. Now go help that dork.
And what are you gonna do?
I've got planning to do.
Knock it off.
Sorry.
Stop.
Sorry.
I'm going to find some troublemakers today. Come on now, don't be scared.
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't get them.
Come on, Bucky, fight back. School. I'm gonna make you and your boyfriend pay for
Now let's
this.
get down to business.
Yeah, buddy. I don't care anymore. This isn't for you. You're going downtown. Oh, bullcrap. That was cheap. Cheap. Bucky, you're pathetic. Got you. I can take it. Are you hurt? Look at the picture. Having fun? I can sit you scared.
Nice to know there's a violent, crazy old man on campus.
Thanks, Timmy. That's great. Here, take this.
Hopkins comes through.
Can you help me, please? Just like
Violence solves all of life's problems, chump.
Mr. Calloway says I got talent. Says I can will defeat you.
You forced me.
Excuse me, will you help me? I gotta get my friend out of class. He's gotta help me with my homework.
Well, all right.
Thank you. Sorry, didn't hear about this.
You don't have any style, do you? You don't even understand what... I'm not the speed of a leopard. I'm gonna get up.
We know who the liars are. Please turn yourself in at the office to avoid making it any worse for yourself.
Oh, is baby gonna cry?
What did he? What did he? Fire alarm? How are you
I'm going to nip your crime spree in the...
Help your fellow Bullworth Academy.
You'll never amount...
Hello, children. Welcome to the world of biology. I hope you all have strong stomachs. What's the matter? Don't you like cutting things open? Take your time, boy. Dissection is an art. Remember, slow and steady wins the race.
Oh, that smells great.
Patience, Hopkins. You can't rush science. Great Scott, boy! Look at the mess you've made!
Help your fellow Bulwark Catman.
Move, nerd!
How original. Call me a nerd. What next? 4 eyes? Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me.
All right, you ask boy.
What's this? Class president.
Class president, dummy. It says class president.
I know.
That's you?
I'm the most suitable candidate I know.
Yeah, so's your mom.
Yeah, right.
Oh, no!
Yeah, wait, yeah, dude.
Don't forget to wipe. How's the campaign, Ernest?
You'll vote for me, won't you?
Yeah, not a chance.
What if I pay you?
Pay me? Now you're talking.
I always knew I was a born leader.
Yeah, but unless you buy everyone's vote, you're never gonna win. Because they are definitely gonna ruin your speech at the debate.
Oh, unless I had a security manager. Oh, please, please,
I don't know.
please,
Security
please,
managers, they cost a
please.
lot of money.
Oh, I have money. I can pay you.
Good. I've always been a politician at heart.
Hi!
Welcome.
I heard you like art class, you fruit.
I won't mince words, my friends. The school needs help. My help. How many of you out there feel abused by society? Let down by the establishment?
I got your pound cake right here.
Brutalized?
Yeah.
I feel your pain, my children. Do not despair. Salvation is here, my friends. By choosing me as your leader, we will usher in a new era. Abusive prefects, gone.
Hey.
Lackluster teaching,
Excellent
gone.
job, Ernest!
Physical education, ouch! This is not right.
You suck.
Bulwark will be the model for a pure crafts. My opponent, ouch! This is intolerable!
I love you, Ernest.
That sports are more meaningful. Hey, stop it!
Excellent job, Ernest!
Than decent textbooks and competent teachers. What have sports done for you except cause pain and misery? While my opponent may also be more popular, good-looking and muscular, and have the attention of the school bimbos,
Get on with it, Specky.
just doesn't have what it takes to be president. There are some who claim I don't. Ow! Why is this happening? Let me tell you, I've been beat up just as much as you. It's time to change for the better.
I heard you like art class, you fruit.
A vote for Ernest. Ouch! This is intolerable. The triumph of brains. Ow!
I'm gonna make you.
In closing, remember, a vote for E means a vote for me. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
All right.
So some nasty chick wants to get with me. I just don't understand. Got anything to say to this? Don't need me.
I put a costume in your closet. Put it on.
You need.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. I was just lying here wishing I could be more like you.
Yeah, whatever.
But I'm cursed.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, cursed by brains. Do you know what torture it is to be thinking all the time? No, of course you don't.
Yeah, you're cursed. You're great. Whatever. What else is going on?
Not much. Let me see. It's Halloween. All the prefects are at some party and the teachers are entertaining. I use that word loosely, the kids. No, I'd say the opportunities for fun are pretty much nil.
What do you have in mind?
Come on, you'll see. Let's go get Pete. I got a real nice costume.
jerk.
No, you're close. Don't be... Don't
Nice
be a
work,
wimp.
Jimmy.
Can you help me, sir? I really appreciate you doing this, sir.
Sounds good.
I just
Oh,
go crazy when I
thank
think
you.
about that scum.
Thank you.
Go to hell.
Jerk.
You still think you're tough? Who wants to get wrecked? Come on, you want to get real now? You're going down hard, pal. Hey, Jimmy. Think you can
Sounds
help me
alright.
out?
Cool, thanks.
It's too easy. Get lost.
Let's do
I need
this.
your help, man. Thanks a lot. Maybe if I concentrate real hard. What is English class? Could you help me, Jimmy?
Yeah, I'm game.
Please? Thanks. I'll be a virgin until I die. Oh, that smells horrible. Get off me, Jimmy. Oh, man. Hopkins, I really could use
No
your
problem.
assistance.
And done.
You're a good friend, Jimmy.
What happened to your pants?
Okay, here's the deal. We're gonna feed Chad's dog some of this rancid meat. Wait for him to take a dump, and then...
What the hell? I'm out of here.
Whatever, Pete. Okay, let's do this, Jim. I'll explain the rest later. Get over here, you little mutt.
Hey, what are you doing in the chest?
I'm unleashing direct power on your
You know you love it.
Here you go, boy. How about a little trick for a treat? Yum, 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 yum.
That's gross.
Score! All right, let's go to the teacher's lounge. You lead on.
I paid $25 to have someone write my essay.
Don't worry, it'll be funny. Okay, get ready.
What the devil is going on out here? Oh, God damn it!
Job well done.
Stop that!
Is there anyone else in here?
rather confused by this situation. for mommy, dorkwad! You cat, now! I am not good. I will beat you for that! Oh!
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Awesome. I'm just gonna collect this.
Wonder what a stupid brat is.
Come on, then.
I never told on you on it.
Grades are retarded. Like, how does one stupid letter...
Guess you're not a juicy one. Real fun around here.
Good for nothing, bum. I wish someone would cause some trouble.
Bye, then.
Please come.